Okay, hello everybody. You remember I got this in the mail, Whatever Happened to Baby Jane, with Betty Davis and Joan Crawford. So today is an unboxing of this. So let's get to it. Okay, it has a nice feel to it. It has this, I don't know, it's kind of like leather or something, or pleather or suede. It has a nice feeling, and it's embroidered over here, and then it's in bright red, of course. You can see, yeah, it pops up a little bit to make it, you know, like stick out, you know. And here's the front, of course. Here's the back. There's some kind of sticker on the back here. I don't know if it's going to be the same. Oh, it's going to be different. It's stuck. It's got glue on it. See there? That was stuck on it. But the back is different. You have Betty Davis and Joan Crawford on the back of the book itself. Now, let's open up to the first page. And you have this here. This is all new to me. Whatever happened to Baby Jane? Paper's very nice too. You know, you can actually turn it. You know, some of these digibooks you can't turn the page. It's got like a real nice digibook. Wow. You know, I'm gonna read this, you know. Or at least look at the pictures. Look at the pretty pictures. Okay, we'll move along. Feud is a word. Feud is a Hollywood word. Two sisters. That just goes on with beautiful photographs. It's almost telling the story through here. The end. Okay. And here we have Whatever Happened to Baby Jane. Let me see, is there anything in there? No, there's nothing really in there. Just what you see here on the other side. It's like this baby doll on the disc itself. close it up, and you have the side here. And the back, the front, and just a nice little booklet. So I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll have more very soon. See you later.